Hi, this is Chris with firstcenturychristianity.net. Today, I am not talking about the faith once delivered to the saints. I'm talking about a constitutional amendment in the state of Missouri that we all need to band together and oppose. Even if you have never voted in your life and your religious convictions make you want to not partake in society, unfortunately, we need you. We need you to get to the Secretary of State's website and register to vote and go vote no on amendment number 3. Hopefully everybody is already registered to vote and stop this horrific, dark law from becoming enshrined in our state constitution. Constitutional amendment number 3 establishes a right to make decisions about reproductive health care, including abortion and contraceptions, with any government interference of that right presumed invalid. This makes abortion more legal in the state of Missouri than it is in the nations of France and Germany. This is a butchery. It is a terrible, terrible amendment. And even if you only vote on this one thing, just if you get a ballot, go to amendment number 3, put no, and throw it in the machine so that we can defeat this. It's very, very bad. And because, of course, we know the Bible wrote that Yahweh knit us together in the womb, we believe that life begins at conception. We do not agree with abortion, and we share that with the vast expanses of Christian faiths and denomination across the world. We want people to be born. The history of this is in 1973, the United States Supreme Court made up a law, and they made abortion legal through a judicial ruling that prevented anybody from making laws to restrict it for 50 years until it was overturned. When it was overturned, the state of Missouri already had a law in place that said if Roe versus Wade ever gets overturned, abortion is banned in the state of Missouri. That is our present paradigm. At present, abortion is completely outlawed in the state of Missouri. This constitutional amendment would override our legislature and make it legal up to fetal viability. Then the law actually defines fetal viability as the point in pregnancy when, in the good faith judgment of the treating healthcare professional and based on the particular facts of the case, there is a significant likelihood of the fetus's sustained survival outside the uterus without the application of extraordinary medical measures. Now, just understand that they just defined a human being as a fetus living outside the womb. That's a child. That's not a fetus. And they just gave all the ability to define fetal viability to the attending physician, who, if that a physician is a pro-abortion opponent, will allow the mother to abort that child ad infinitum until 9 months. This is an incredibly dark and disturbing law. Even if you are somebody who is in favor of abortion, you need to oppose this amendment because it will turn Missouri into a baby-killing factory. People will come here to get abortions if this happens to pass because it will make abortion legal, like I said, more legal than it is in the nations of France and Germany. Please, I'll put the links to how to register to vote and the text of the law in the comments wherever this is posted. But please do your due diligence. Register to vote right now and make sure to get out and vote in November against amendment number 3. If you can't vote in November, you can go to your county clerk's office and vote early, usually about 2 weeks before elections start in our state. May Yahweh bless you and keep you in the name of his son, Yeshua.